This question says a solid sphere is moving and it makes an elastic collision with a stationary sphere of half its radius. After collision it comes to rest. The ratio of the density of the material of the second to the first is. So here the collision is elastic, and what is happening is the first body is stopping. That is, they are exchanging their velocities. So if they are exchanging their velocities, what I can say? I can say mass of the first body equal to mass of the second body. Now what is mass of the first body? If I say density is rho, rho into 4 by 3 pi r1 cube would be equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi. The radius of the second body is r by 2 whole cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancels. So I'll have rho r cube equal to rho 1. This is rho 2. Rho 2 into r cube by 8. So r cube cancels. So rho 2 equal to 8 rho 1. That is, density of the second sphere would be 8 times the density of the first sphere. So the answer for this question is option C, 8. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.